and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to sell stocks online. In previous videos, we took you through how to open a brokerage account and how to buy stocks online. Now that you've got your account open and funded and you've bought some stocks, we're going to cover rebalancing, which is just a fancy way of saying that you are making adjustments to your portfolio and in this case, selling stocks. I'm going to show you how to sell stocks in a Schwab brokerage account. This process will be very similar for other brokerage accounts. Once you log in to your account, select Trade as your action. To begin, type in the ticker symbol for the stock that you want to sell. Remember, a ticker symbol is a unique identifier for a particular stock. Every company traded on a stock exchange has one, and every company's ticker is different. For our purposes, let's sell Ford Motor Company, ticker symbol F. For the action, we enter sell. So now that we've confirmed the stock that we're selling and that we have entered a sell order, it's now time to enter the number of shares that we want to sell. Let's sell 100 shares. Next, we have to specify how we want to sell. There are a number of different ways to sell. We're only going to cover the two most popular, market and limit orders. A market order is used when you want to sell at the current market price, whereas a limit order is used when you want to sell at a specific price. For example, if I wanted to make a certain amount, I would enter a limit order and set the sell price at, say, $16.75 per share. I'm not so sensitive to price, so I'm going to sell at the current price. So I enter a market order. Now, I want to direct your attention to one other bit of information that you need to understand on this page, which are the bid and ask prices. When you see a stock quotation, you'll see two prices, the bid and the ask. The bid is the highest price someone is willing to pay to buy the stock, and the ask is the lowest price at which a seller is willing to sell. The difference between the two prices is called the spread. To get more information on market, limit, and other types of sell orders, as well as bid and ask prices, take a look at investopedia.com. They've got some really good information there. So finally, we have to decide how long we want to allow for the transaction to be executed. Do you want to sell it right now at the current price? Or if you entered a limit order, how long do you want to give it to get to your desired price? So let's look at that. So if we enter a limit order, we have the option of, for today, good until I cancel my order. It'll stay there, fill or kill, so immediate or cancel. But we're doing a market order, so let's go back to that. Once you decide how quickly you want to complete the transaction and at what price, one thing to be mindful of is that prices can change many times per second, and the price you see on the screen may be slightly different than the price that you actually sell your shares after you confirm the transaction. So let's review our order. While you're reviewing the order, you'll note that most brokerage firms charge a fee to complete your transaction. This fee is called a commission. It's how discount brokerage firms earn income. For example, for Schwab, this fee is $8.95. Most firms charge on average between $4.95 and $9.95 commission per trade or per transaction. It's charged when you buy and when you sell stocks, and no matter how many shares are in your order. The last step is to confirm the transaction. Once you select place order, voila, you've just sold 100 shares of Ford Motor Company stock. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.